Human male reproductive system consists of external genitalia, which composed of two testes. Each testis is a ball-like structure for hundreds of seminiferous tubules, which are very convoluted tubules. There are almost 800 seminiferous tubules in each testis. These seminiferous tubules contain germinal cells which do the process of spermatogenesis, in the meanwhile, there are some interstitial cells are also present in the testes which produce sex hormones known as testosterone, which are very important for the secondary sexual characters in males, like production of hair on face and pubis and hoarseness of the voice. When sperms are produced in seminiferous tubules, they are transported to the highly convoluted part known as epididymis. Epididymis contain small convoluted tubules which store and mature the sperms. From here a duct arises. This duct is known as ductus deferens. This is a duct which is also known as vas deferens. It also stores and transports sperm and also take part in maturation of sperm. Now there is an organ in the lower abdominal cavity which is known as urinary bladder. Two ureters from our kidney open into the urinary bladder which stores urine. When urinary bladder is filled up with urine, it releases urine via a duct known as urethra, which passes through our external genitalia, which is known as penis, and urine is passed out of the body. But this urethra can also be used as to transport gametes, male gametes means sperms, into female reproductive tract. Now these ductus deferens comes across the urinary bladder and joins with urethra. At this time, this duct deferens is known as ejaculatory duct. This ejaculatory duct contain different glands which produce some secretion and pour their secretion into the seminal fluid. The glands are prostate gland, seminal vesicle and bulbourethral glands. These secretions and sperms all together they make up a seminal fluid which contains sperms, and these sperms are transported out of the body through urethra, which passes through penis, and this penis is a muscular organ which is used to transport sperms into the female reproductive tract during copulation. Now let's discuss the function of all parts of the reproductive system. The first part is testis. As you can see in this diagram, our testes produce sperms through spermatogenesis, and also interstitial cells produce some hormones known as testosterone, which are sex hormones. The second part is epididymis. Epididymis is the highly convoluted part present on the testes. This is involved in the maturation and storage of sperm. After that is the ductus deferens. This is the duct, long duct, which is used to conduct and store some sperms. If we look at the glands, the first gland is seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle secretes water, fructose, vitamin C, and add these secretion into the seminal fluid. Fructose provide energy for the muscle for the sperm's locomotion, while pH is also maintained with help of this fluid. The second gland is prostate gland, which is just present beneath our urinary bladder. Prostate gland produce some enzymes and cholesterol which also added into the seminal fluid, which help to make the composition of seminal fluid. The third gland is bulbourethral gland. Bulbourethral gland produces clear lubricating fluids which lubricates the ejaculatory duct before ejaculation. So all these three glands, seminal vesicle, prostate and bulbourethral gland, they make up a secretion known as seminal fluid which contains sperms. Each person in male 3 to 4 ml of seminal fluid is produced, and which contain 30 to 40 million sperms. After that, these seminal fluid can be transported outside the body with the help of urethra. Urethra is a duct which conducts sperms, and at the end we will discuss about the penis, Penis is the reproductive organ external genitalia which is used for copulation and transfer of sperms into the female reproductive tract.